Exercise 10A, page number 131, question number 1. It says that show that the progression 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 are in AP. We have to prove this, whether the sequence is in AP or not, first of all. So, given progression is this 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, so on. So, what we will do it first of all? We will find out the common difference. Now, how you will find out the common difference? Let's see. This is your first term, first number, second number, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, and so on, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, we will find it out D, common difference. So, how will you find out? Second term minus first term or third term minus second term or fourth term minus third term or fifth term minus fourth term. When you put the value, it has to be constant. So, let's see. Second is 13. 13 minus 11 equals to 15 minus 13, 17 minus 15, 19 minus 17. So, when you solve it, let's see. So, it will be 2, 2, again it's 2, 2. So, this is constant. It has to come constant. Constant means same. The common difference is constant. So, given progression is in AP. First part we have proof. Now, in the question we have to find the first term. How will you find out the first term? First number. First term means first number, पहला नंबर A. तो ये कौन सा है पहला नंबर सीरीज में? 11. So this is your first part answer. In second part they are asking us the common difference. Common difference is represented by small d. You have to learn the formula with correct symbol. Small d. Just now we have taken it out. Second term minus first term. So second term is 13. First term is 11. So 13 minus 11 is 2. So common difference is 2. Now third part we have to find the 20th term. We have to find the 20th term. Now understand the meaning I am telling you in Hindi so that it sits into your mind. 20th term का मतलब होता है 20वां नंबर कौन सा होगा. So what is the formula? Formula is journal term is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn का यहाँ पे मतलब हुआ T20 निकालना है, 20वां टर्म निकालना है, इक्वल्स टू A कितना है 11 प्लस n is this term. Which term we have to take? 20. So n will be 20. So 20 minus 1. D common difference is 2. So first of all what you will do? You will subtract. 20 minus 1 is 19 and then you will multiply. So 19 into 2 is 38. 38 plus 11 is 49. So 49 is your 20th term. So this is a first question answer. This way you will do the question. Now question number third. Question number third is same. Let's do one more practice like this type of question. Show that the progression 10, 6, 2, minus 2, minus 6 are in AP. We have to again prove. So how will you prove it? You will find out the D, common difference. So let's study this first of all so that you are in practice. First term, first term, first number, पहला term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Clear? So I have told you फर्स्ट नंबर, पहला नंबर, दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा, पांचवा. This way, this is a term. So how will you find out? Second minus first term. Clear? Then third minus second. Be very careful. Third minus second, not second minus third. Then fourth minus third. Fifth minus fourth. This way. So now let's put the value. That is 6 minus 10, 2 minus 6, minus 2 minus 2. Then it will be minus 6 minus minus 2. So this is coming out to be minus 4. This is also minus 4. This is also minus 4. This will be minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 4. So it is constant. D is constant. So hence progression is in AP. First part we have proved out. Now second, in first part they are saying first term we have to find. First term I have already told you how to find out. Pehla number. First number is what? 10. So this is your A. That is your first term. Then common difference we have already taken it out just now. Common difference is minus 4. That is represented by small d. We will not write the spelling every time, so you will use these symbols. Now third part, you have to find the 10th term. 10th term means 10th number. Series में 10वां number कौन सा है? So you will use the journal formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. Journal formula, journal term formula. So this is. Now put the value. You have to find the 10th term. So that means n is equal to 10, A is equal to 10 and D is equal to minus 4. So let us substitute it over here. So 10 plus 10 minus 1 and D is minus 4. So what you will do? First of all you will subtract, then you will multiply. So this is minus 36 with plus 10 will be minus 26. So this is the way you will find out. So 10th term in the series of AP is minus 26. Question number 8. Second type of question. Now in question 8 it says that find nth term of an AP 37, 1, minus 5, minus 11, so on. So first of all we will find out the nth term and then its part we will do it. We will find out the 9th term and the 6th term. So from the series, first of all write down the 13. What is 13? First term A. Then we have to find the common difference. Common difference is second term minus first term. So what is second term? 7. This is your second term and this is your first term. So 7 minus 13. So common difference is coming out to be minus 6. So this is D and this is A, first term. Now we will use the journal term formula. What is journal term? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we'll substitute the value. We have to find the n term. What is A? 13. N we have to find, means nth term we have to find. So you will write n only over here. D is minus 6. Now we'll only solve this. So this will be minus 6n plus 6n. Tn will come out to be 19 minus 6n. So this is your nth term. Now first part of this question. First part they are saying find the 9th term. 9th term we have to find. So this is your journal term you will be using. You have to find the 9th term. That means n is equal to 9. So let's put A is 13 plus 9 minus 1. D is minus 6. So 13 plus 9 minus 1 is 8. Multiply by minus 6. So 13 minus 48. It will come out to be, when you subtract these two numbers, it will be minus 35. So this is your 9th term. Now in the second part we have to find out the 16th term. We have to find the 16th number. So again same journal formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. So here you have to find the 16th term. A is again 13, you will substitute. N is 16th term. Here for this is your n. So 16 minus 1, d is your minus 6. So let us substitute 13. 16 minus 1 is 15 into minus 6. So what is 15 into minus 6 is, how much it will be? Minus 90. So what will be your 90 minus 13? Minus 77. So this will be your 16th term. Question number 12. Which term of an AP 72, 68, 64, 60 is 0? Which term? See, understand the question. Question कह रहा है कि कौन सा टर्म इस AP सीरीज का 0 होगा. ठीक है. So we have to find the n. So let's see what is given over here. This is your A, first term. This is your Tn term, you can say, or I have told you last term. Clear? So A is given to you, first term 72. Last term or Tn term is given 0. We have to find the n, and now we will find it out. First of all, common difference, that is d. So this is your first term. This is your second term. So second term minus first term. So what is your second term? 68 minus 72 is your first term. So when you subtract, how much it will be there? Minus 4. So this is your common difference. Let's use the journal term formula. Tn is equal to n plus n minus 1 into d. So let us substitute the value. Here Tn or the last term is what? 0. Don't get confused. Last term, Tn term is same meaning. So 0 is equal to first term is 72 plus n we have to find out over here. D is minus 4. So 0 is equal to 72 plus n minus 1 into minus 4. Children, please don't make a mistake over here. Take this 72 on the left hand side. So minus 72 is equal to n minus 1 multiplied by minus 4. Now these two are in multiplication. So what we will do it, 72 by minus 4 equals to n minus 1. So when you cancel it, these minus will be cancelled. You will cancel with the table of 4. This will go 1 and 8. So 18 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore n will be equal to 18 plus 1. N is coming out to be 19. That means this 19th term will be 0. 19th वाला number जो होगा वो 0 होगा. Is that clear? So this is a question 12.